Honorable Speaker, leadership of the House, honorable members of Parliament, members of the Council of States, representatives of political parties, the Tase, independent constitutional bodies, civil society organizations, the Indian community in Ghana, I'm deeply honored to address this esteemed House today. To be in Ghana, a land that radiates the spirit of democracy, dignity, and resilience. Not just democracy, I bring with me the goodwill and greetings of 1.4 billion Indians. Ghana is known as the land of gold, not just for what lies under your soil, for the warmth and strength in your heart. We see a nation that shines with courage, that rises above every challenge with dignity and grace. Your commitment to democratic ideals and inclusive progress truly makes Ghana a beacon of inspiration for the entire African continent. Last evening was a deeply moving experience. Receiving your national award from my dear friend, President Mahama, is an honor. I will always cherish that. इस सम्मान के लिए मैं 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की तरफ से घाना के लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं. People of India, I thank the people of Ghana for this honor. I dedicate it to the enduring friendship and shared values that bind India and Ghana. Earlier today, I had the honor of paying tribute to a visionary and statesman and beloved son of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. The forces that unite us are intrinsic and greater than the superimposed influences that keep us apart. Continue to guide our shared journey. His vision was a democratic republic built on strong institutions. True democracy promotes discussion and debate. It unites people. Responsibility to preserve and nurture them. Friends, India is the mother of democracy. बल्कि संस्कार है. हजारों वर्षों से लोकतंत्र ने भारतीय समाज को निरंतर गति दी है। फॉर अस, डेमोक्रेसी is not merely a system, it is a part of our fundamental values. We have examples of centers like Vaishali. The Rig Veda, one of the world's oldest scriptures, says, Ano Bhadraha Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha. It means let good thoughts come to us from all directions. Is the core of democracy. India has over 2,500 political parties. 2,500 political parties. 2 official languages, thousands of dialects. This is also the reason that wherever they go, even in Ghana, they have blended into society just like sugar in tea. Distinguished members, bear the scars of colonial rule, but our spirits have always remained free and fearless. We draw strength and inspiration from our rich heritage. We take pride in our social, cultural, and linguistic diversity. We built nations rooted in freedom, unity, and dignity. Our relationship knows no bounds. And with your permission, with President Mahama, we have decided to elevate our ties to a comprehensive partnership. The world order created after the Second World War is changing fast. The revolution in technology, the rise of the global south, and shifting demographics are contributing. Pandemics, terrorism, and cybersecurity. Institutions created in the last century are struggling to respond. The changing circumstances demand credible and effective reforms in global. We need more than slogans. We need action. We worked with the vision, one earth, one family, one future. Africa's rightful place at the global high table, that the African Union became a permanent member of the G20 during our presidency. Our philosophy is humanity first. सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग्. May all be free from illness. May all feel what is auspicious. May no one suffer in any way. Embodies India's approach to the world. It guided our actions during the COVID pandemic. We shared vaccines, lifestyle for environment, and promote sustainable living. This inclusive spirit powers our global initiative like One World, One Sun, One Grid to encourage solar energy and sustainability. International Big Cat Alliance to protect wildlife. And the Global Biofuel Alliance to advance clean biofuels and cut carbon emissions. As a founding member, will host the African Regional Meeting for the International Solar Alliance this September. This demonstrates our shared belief that the world is one family. Distinguished members seen a major transformation. The people of India have reposed their faith in peace, security. They re-elected the same government for the third consecutive time after more than 6 decades. Today, India is the fastest growing emerging economy.